Lenovo has announced its upgraded laptop, the Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i Aura Edition, at the Mobile World Congress 2025, featuring significant enhancements in performance and an array of artificial capabilities. The highly anticipated tech event, which will take place from March 3rd to March 6th, is being held in Barcelona, Spain. Various tech giants will showcase their cutting-edge products at the event. The Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i Aura Edition sports a 16-inch 3.2K Pure Side Pro Tandem OLED display with a resolution of 3200 by 2000 pixels. The laptop has a peak brightness of 1600 nits, certified for Dolby Vision HDR and VESA Display HDR True Black 1000. The Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i Aura Edition has been launched as a Copilot Plus PC and features AI capabilities that enhance audio, video, and photo editing. AI tools, including Lenovo Creator Zone and Lenovo X Power, are also integrated, optimizing the laptop's performance and cooling system to ensure smooth multitasking and gaming. The Intel Core Ultra 9 285H Arrow Lake H CPU powers the device, which can support up to 64 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. The laptop is also available in a touchscreen variant for those who prefer to interact with their hands. Starting in June, the Yoga Pro 9i Aura Edition will be available in Tidal Teal and Luna Gray colors and will cost €1,699. It also features a 5-megapixel webcam for high-quality video calls and a 6-speaker Dolby Atmos system.